seriously. We're at 1001 Bellevue, which is an exquisite condo complex on the other side, the south side of downtown Dallas, and you're in for a fantastic visual treat. Ooh, ah. Bellevue Tower is a condo community. It does have a private pool. It does have fantastic amenities, including weekly porter service, which is yummy. It is a modern loft industrial style build. So very efficient, very clean, very quiet, and the amazing, luscious part of this incredible unit right here, which is 605, is the multiple corner view glazed windows. So you have floor to ceiling windows, and then you also have corners with floor to ceiling views. So let's go through and check it out. Living room here, open. So you can design it any way you needed it. If you need a workout space, you can certainly tuck that out, tuck it right here, or perhaps right here where they've got the dining room right now, which is beautiful. By the way, while we're here, we need to look at the storage space. And laundry area, which is nice. It's a 1,200 square foot condo and 2 bedroom, 2 baths, and for it to have a full size washer and dryer is pretty darn cool and tucked away like it is. You also have hall closet, very nice, very nifty. To our right here is bedroom number 1. Let's take a moment and just zen through these windows. Holy cow, can you imagine waking up and having this for your view? Now the condo home is tricked out with blackout roll down blinds. So you can have as much or as little as the view as you want. The incredible Dallas skyline. You've got the bridges, 35, and then you also have the far Catalera Bridge that goes over to Trinity Groves. You've got Reunion Tower. Roll back over this way. The Lorenzo museum, or not, haha, play on words. It's actually not a museum, it's a hotel that is essentially an art museum. It is stuffed full of amazing art pieces. And then right below us actually is the pool. All right, and again, lots of storage, huge closet space. We are in a little over 1,200 square feet, 2 bedroom, 2 bath, unit 605 at 1001 Bellevue Condos. Check out this shower. I love the architectural detail of this shower. I love check out the floor to ceiling tile. Many of y'all know I'm a huge fan of floor to ceiling tile. Why? Because nothing repels water better than tile, so why surround your shower that gets wet regularly with drywall? Makes no sense whatsoever. So those of you that are out there remodeling, spend the money and do the floor to ceiling tile. We've got quartz counters, lovely maple cabinetry with the industrial easy pull handles. Textured 1-inch or 2-inch, floor tile. So again, replicating the lines, the square lines, but then the texture keeps it safe. We are walking, by the way, on a high polished concrete floor. So very dog friendly. And speaking of dog friendly, Bellevue Condo is right next to the Southside Dog Park. Pretty cool. maple cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless appliances, and the always welcomed gas cooktop. All of us that love to cook, gas is the way to go. Microwave, and an amazing room with a view. More views. Incredible. Love it, love it, love it. I do like the deep sink. Always a fan of the deep sink. Makes filling things much easier. The fun, the openness. All right, and behind this door is a luscious luxury treat. Check this out. The owner's suite. Once again with divine views. This time of the south side, basically it's the South Side Arts Colony. Those of you that are fans of Dallas, the Dallas Production Studios for the second Dallas show was right here inside the old repurposed Sears and Roebuck Fulfillment Center. But there's many art lofts all through there. It's fantastic. Sunset tonight is at 5:36, so we're gonna make sure we hit that. But before we do that, let's check out this bathroom. Double vanity sinks, again, the fantastic floor-to-ceiling tile. Love the glass surround, the thoughtful inclusion of towel shelves and storage. Lots and lots of storage. Check out this closet. Oh, here we go. Sorry, I missed putting on the light for you. Okay, check out this closet. Wow, it's practically a room of its own. Again, over 1,200 square feet, efficiently used and divinely appointed. We have drawers, which y'all know I'm a fan of because they're efficient for space, for storage and use, and doors. I always like the drawers. Granite counters, fans throughout, luscious high polish concrete floors. But let's get out here to the jewel of this entire space, which is this incredible outdoor balcony. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So many people that are relocating to Dallas are quick to go to Uptown, and then they are in sticker shock many times when they see what you get for Uptown. And that is the beauty of South Side. As it has many of the same amenities, but without the price tag. It's a great combination of, Southside's a great combination of city chic, but neighbors next door. So check it out below. We've got a family enjoying the fire pit. And it's 65 degrees today in Dallas. It's a perfect fire pit day. This particular unit, 605, comes with 2 assigned parking spots. Fabulous. It also has lots of off-street parking as well for guests.
Those two are having fun. Wham.
And to think that we are maybe a 7-minute drive, 5-minute drive to downtown Dallas. To our right over here, just beyond, if you can see, what would be a good order. Right below those cranes, which are the State Board of Texas, is give you perspective. Is Deep Ellum. And then to the left of that is the east quarter of Dallas, which is where the farmers market is. So theoretically, if you wanted to, you could ride your bike from here to the farmers market, or from here to Pioneer Square, where that Pioneer Cemetery is, which is loads of fun. If you want to see some interesting tombstones, I'd recommend spending an afternoon at Pioneer Cemetery, which is right across from the Convention Center, which is just to our left. So that green right there is Pioneer Square, and then to the left of that is the Convention Center. Convention Center has a restaurant row on Lamar that has just about every type of food you can think of, so it's just across the way. But here on Lamar, on South Side, there is Mexican food. There's one of the best secret coffee places in town, Opening Bell, and they have live music on occasion. There's also a really good Mexican place. There's a noodle place.
Pizza place.
Salat's Pizza, right there. Yes.
Wine.
And the wine's really good. Yes. And if you're looking for a concert, you literally can go down the stairs and across the way to the Southside Ballroom. If you have not been to a concert at Southside Ballroom, you need to put that on your Dallas bucket list. It is one of the best places to experience live music. It's intimate, it's huge, believe it or not. It's intimate and huge. Really, truly, it does work. And it's attached to Gillies. And yes, Gillies as in John Travolta, Rhinestone Cowboy Gillies. That Gillies, it's right there. It's right across the street from where we are now, which is 1001 Bellevue Tower, Unit 605. And it is available for you to snag. Totally great bang for the buck price. If you'd like to know the price directly, direct message me and I will let you know. But it's under $400,000. So high living, low dollars, great deal, and you're minutes from everything. So come on out of here, zig when everybody else is zagging, and you'll be glad you did. Thanks for joining me.